singles final at Wimbledon and a U.S. Open quarterfinal. Returning to Madison Square Garden after 8 years, please welcome...
I feel like both of us were moving great today, so I was very happy with that. And you know, we were able to hit some pretty big serves, slow court, but I think we put on pretty good stuff.
You really did, and Nick, you always seem to deliver for the fans. You admitted.
So I'm not taking any of this for granted, but it's just great to see Tommy really get to the top of the game, and I hope he continues to do what he does. But look, this is an amazing experience, and you know, there's a lot of good tennis. You know, the